Example D is a little bit more complicated. Here we're trying to do or change a repeating decimal with the bar notation. We know it's a repeating decimal. We're trying to change it into a fraction. Now to change that, we have to first get rid of that repeating decimal. So the first thing I do is I say, well, I do 0.45 repeated is the same as what? As any variable you wish. Let's call it W. Now, if I notice there are two repeating decimals, and because there are two repeating decimals, I have to multiply this by 100. Why by 100? Because it's two repeating decimals and I want to get rid of them. Now, when I multiply that by 100 on each side, what do I get? I get 45.45 repeated equals 10W, 100W, because I multiply by 100. Why by 100? Because we have two repeating decimals. Now, if you notice, I want to get rid of that repeating decimal. How do I get rid of that repeating decimal? By subtracting that repeating decimal. And what does that repeating decimal represent? It represents 1 negative W. Because I already stated that 0.45 repeated is W. So if I subtract it, what am I going to get? I'm going to get something pretty simple. That it gives me 45 equals 99W. Why 99? If I have 100 W's and I take one out, I have 99 left. Now all I do is solve for W. When I solve for W, I get that 45 over 99 is W. And what is W? W is exactly that decimal, which is now in fraction form. So 0.45 repeated is nothing more than 45 over 99.